Anxiety is a regular part of life. We all experience anxiety, sometimes more often than other times. Although it can feel scary, it is important to remember that it is a temporary feeling and it can be managed and relieved. If you are feeling anxious, listen to these positive affirmations to reduce anxiety. Allow yourself to get comfortable, close your eyes, and breathe as you listen to these powerful affirmations. Ready? Let's begin. All is well. I am safe. I am allowing myself to relax. I am allowing myself to become calm. I am focusing on slowing my breath. I am breathing in and out with ease. I am surrendering to my feelings. I know that anxiety is temporary and it will pass. I know that all the negative feelings are temporary and they will pass. I know that I can handle anything that life throws my way. I know that I can get through anything. I know that any hardship I face is for my greater good. I know that with each hardship I face, I become stronger. I am releasing all of my doubts and fears now. I have faith in myself. I am capable. I am brave. I am resilient. I am in charge of my life. I am living in the present moment, for in the present moment, all is well. I am feeling peaceful living in the present moment. I appreciate my ability to feel all of my emotions. I am thanking my body for everything that it does for me. I am appreciating my emotions for guiding me on my path to wellness. I trust my body and my life path. I am creating the 2.0 version of me. I am living my 2.0. Thank you for joining me for this positive affirmation video. I hope you are feeling lighter and more relaxed. The next time you are experiencing anxiety, feel free to revisit this video. If you experience anxiety on a more regular basis, you may benefit from watching this video every day for 21 days for best results. I am wishing you a very happy and positive day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more inspirational, motivational, and positive content to help you on your journey to becoming the 2.0 version of you. I'll see you next time.